hardest thing about writing a book is the writing part. But yeah, the Black travel movement, which I signed on to with Columbia University Press, really is a it starts off as basically an ability to be able to let senior leaders, executive know and understand both the economic, social, and cultural value of the Black and African American dollar in group events as it relates to travel. So the book is not about individual travel experiences, it's about understanding, especially in a US context, the importance of why our historically Black colleges, why the Black church, and why our Black professional organizations are still the key to booking the larger, even larger bits of more business.